everybody, this is Steven from Canna Connect, and I'm out here at Cece's Bar in Brainerd, Minnesota, about 2 hours north of the cities. I drove up today. As soon as I got here, there were vendors already setting up. Super excited to be here. Vendors really built the entire booth, like great job. We had 6, 7 local vendors, maybe even 7 or 8, like Charlie's from Deerwood and Hazy Bear from Outing, and these are small towns and there's cannabis happening inside these towns. And what we did today was bring people together in a central location like Brainerd, Northeast Brainerd at Cece's, and it's been really fun. They've got a great private event venue. They have a great pool hall for overflow. The first hour or so, we were checking tickets at the door because we had so many people coming in. We had hundreds of people show up today. We had so many great vendors from Brainerd, Baxter, Crosby, Deerwood, Cloquet, Eden Prairie. The Minnesota Cannabis College came and was here with their books and their education and the podcast, and it was so great to see so many conversations taking place in and around this bar/private event venue. It shows that Minnesota can handle cannabis in a responsible outdoor, public, private manner, and it's really fun to organize and utilize this new industry for the people to really enjoy. And so I feel really good about this event. I'm super excited. We're gonna start planning another one in Brainerd. Let us know when you think we should have it next, and we will be bringing it back to Brainerd. Thanks to Studio 218 for putting us on and having us showcasing our event and pairing it with their media. It's really awesome. Thank you to Lupulin for all the smazies, free smazy. Great job, guys. Thanks for your partnership. And thank you to Verist and all the other brands that took place in this expo today. And thanks to Luke and Corey and Garrett for all contributing to this unique, first of its kind event. We'll be back.